hot China's buzzwords. 中国热词
A new era of aviation. The country's first homegrown passenger jet. The C919. And today, for the first time ever, 司徒建国 will pilot his first ever flight.
No!
What?
你不能开。
Really?
当然是真的，你又不是飞行员。
But I want something blue. So, like a pilot? They'd let me drive the plane? No? Okay. So this is the Comac C919 passenger jet, the fruits of a project first launched back in 2008. Its maiden flight was carried out successfully last year in May, and I'm here today I'm not here to fly you, I know what I'm here to do. Don't film this. I am, of course, here to be a passenger in first class. I've never been in first class before. Brilliant. Now the C919...
不坐在头等舱。
What?
你不能坐头等舱。
Why?
因为你座位不在这儿。
Huh. The C919 is a twin-engine, single-aisle, narrow-body jet airliner which utilises advanced technology from a number of different fields and industries. Now, following the successful test flight last year, China has joined the ranks of only a few nations that have been able to develop their own large airliners. The US, Russia, Canada, Brazil, the UK, France, Germany, and now China. Now, the C919 has a range of over 4,000 kilometres and seats 168 passengers. But luckily, today, I'm the only one on board.
你该下飞机了。
I've got to get off. Well, there you go. C919 ready to hit the market. How am I getting home? No taxis.